This is just another travelling tip I've done. I've made these tote bags with a zip. They're big enough to be able to take a complete night's clothing. I made them all different colours so that we can tell who's who. So when we're travelling around and we need to stop at a motel, we're just picking up 2 bags. It makes it so much easier. Another little trick that I've done is an old pillowcase. And I have put some clips. I don't know whether that can be seen very well, but I've put some clips on the top. Sort of makes the Santa bag. There's your bag. Very easy to fold it up. Put it in with your clothes, and each night you've got a little individual wash bag. Keeps your overnight bags clean, keeps all your washing together, and then you can get round to washing them when it's convenient. As I was getting quite confused, I wrote down everything that we had booked and what nights they were. So the first day 1, the first night is Sunday night. We're somewhere on the road and we need 1 overnight bag with 1 outfit. Day 2 will be Monday night. At Whitsundays, we need an overnight bag, 1 outfit. Day 3, on Tuesday morning, we go on the boat, the Whitsundays boat, and stay overnight on the pontoon. And so we're on the boat on the pontoon. I've got an old suitcase and I've put in a warm outfit and a cotton outfit. So warm for the evening, cotton for the next day, as well as my bathers and snorkelling equipment. Then Wednesday night we're back at Whitsundays from the boat. And so we need 1 overnight bag and 1 outfit. Thursday night, so Thursday we drive to Broken River Mountain. We're there for 3 nights, so I've got the 3 nights written down. And we've got our suitcases, and I've got 3 or 4 outfits, and I need a couple warm. So I've got 3 or 4 outfits there. Sunday night, we're on the road somewhere to Cairns, so we need an overnight bag, and that's 1 outfit. Monday and Tuesday night, we're in Cairns, So in the suitcase, I've got warm walkabout clothing and cotton. We're going to need 3 outfits. Wednesday night, we are driving to the house sit, and we'll be at the house sit on Wednesday night. And so we're there 1 day early so that we can organise what we need to do. They can teach us everything they want done. So that's the main suitcases again, and I want 2 outfits. That gives us 15 outfits. And now what I have done. Here's the overnight bags for both of us, all organised and done. And because I have 1 day, particularly want to wear this outfit on the boat, so I have got it marked. So that one I will use on Monday night so that I've got that outfit to wear on the boat for Tuesday morning. So this is the old suitcase that we are using for the overnight on the pontoon. and we've got mine on one half, his on the other half. This is my suitcase that I packed the clothes, haven't finished, for the stay at Broken River Mountain and Cairns, and a couple of days at the house sit. And this is Stephen's suitcase, and he's basically packed ready. And then we have our vanity cases. When we go travelling, I like to be able to stop somewhere along the road and just have a drink and something to eat, rather than calling into a shop, hang around and wait until you can get served, and then hang around and wait until they've got the food ready, and then you get going again. This way you can just stop on the side of the road when there's somewhere nice. You can get your drink with Golden Circle, the little fruit juices here. They're on special in Coles, so it works out. They were just over $1 each. So we just have a drink. We can reseal it, put it back in the fridge or in our esky, and that saves us money. Another thing that we did, these little mini cans of ginger beer. They're terrific. They're on special at $3.50. So they're just a tiny little drink. And because they were a half price special, I decided to buy 2. That gives us 6 each. Now if I go and buy a drink at a takeaway place on our holidays, it would cost $3.50 or $4 for an individual drink. So we've actually got 5 free drinks each. As we have just got a car fridge, I thought it would be interesting to do the maths, as it is the cost of $7 for 12 drinks. But if I was buying them at the shops, 12 multiplied by 4 is $48. We take $7 off that, which was the actual cost. We have saved ourselves $41, which is just under half the cost of the fridge. So it's not going to take us very long to save the cost of the car fridge.